Want to find a fun and easy way to go viral on TikTok and YouTube quickly? There's a great niche you can tap into. It's big, so you won't run out of ideas. Plus, you can make money on both platforms. Interested? I'll show you a simple 3-step plan to dive into this niche. First, we'll brainstorm video ideas. Then, we'll gather everything we need like videos, images, and sounds. Finally, I'll walk you through editing it all together. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a tip to help your TikTok videos go viral. Ready to dive in? This niche is called the facts niche. It's broad with lots of sub-niches. For example, you could focus on country facts or sports facts. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you an example video I made, and then we can get started.
3 crazy facts about Italian foods that will amaze you. Number 1. Did you know that the world's largest pizza was made in Italy? It measured a whopping 1,261 square meters. That's bigger than a basketball court. Number 2. Italy is not just famous for pizza and pasta. Ever heard of risotto? Well, Italians are masters at making it creamy without using any cream.
I hope you understand about this niche with that example video. Now, let's dive into how to get started. First things first, make a weekly plan. With this method, you can easily create 2 videos a day, even if you have a job. Each video will only take about 30 minutes to make. So, aim for 14 video ideas for the upcoming week. Next, let's talk about creating a video script. For this example, let's say your topic is 3 crazy facts about Italian foods. You have 2 options for creating a script. Research the topic online, gather information from various articles, and create your own script. Use ChatGPT to generate a script for you. I recommend using the second method. Just ask ChatGPT for a script using a prompt you'll find in the description below. Once you have the script, you can change it a little bit to make it even better. For example, you can start with a catchy hook like 3 crazy facts about Italian food that will blow your mind. This will grab your viewers' attention right from the start. And there you have it. Creating a video script is that simple. Now you're ready to start making engaging videos in the facts niche. Alright, let's move on to creating voiceovers for your videos. It's essential to choose a voice that sounds natural, not robotic. One of the best tools for this is 11 Labs, which offers ultra-realistic AI voices. Here's how to do it. Sign up for free on 11 Labs to get 10,000 free characters. Explore their voice library by clicking on Voice Library under the Add Voice button. You can filter voices by selecting keywords from the top menu. For our video, let's try voices under the social media category. Listen to a few voices to find the one that fits your video best. Look for a voice that is deep and energetic to keep your audience engaged. Once you've found the perfect voice, add it to your voice library. Next, go to Settings and select this voice. Now, you're ready to generate voiceovers. Here's a tip. Instead of copying the entire script at once, copy it part by part. This will help you get better quality voiceovers. Generate voiceovers for each part and save them in a new folder. And there you have it. You've successfully created natural-sounding voiceovers using 11 Labs. Now you can add them to your videos and make them even more engaging. Let's gather some background videos and images to make your video more engaging. Visit pexels.com. Here you can find copyright-free videos and images. Download videos related to Italy and food to match your video's topic. Now we need images. For our video for this, we will use Leonardo AI. Sign up for a Leonardo AI account. You'll get 150 free credits daily, which is plenty for making images for your videos. Use Leonardo AI to generate images that match your video script. Select a vector and cartoon style for your images. Adjust the dimensions as needed. If you're not sure how to create a prompt for Leonardo AI, use ChatGPT to help you. Describe the image you want, and ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Generate the image based on the prompt. Repeat this process to create images for your entire video script. After that, we need a background music. I will use pixabay.com for this purpose. Search fun and funky vibe music. Listen one by one. Choose which you like the most, and then download it. Now let's put everything together and edit your video using CapCut, a free video editor that's user-friendly for both mobile and computer. Open CapCut and start a new project. Choose a 9:16 ratio for your video. Click on the Import button and add your voiceovers, music, videos, and images. Drag and drop the voiceovers onto the timeline in the correct order. Cut out any silent parts by zooming in and using the Cut tool. Now, import and add background videos one after the other. Adjust sizes and add filters if desired. Then, add the generated images to the timeline. Adjust their size and position. Next, we'll add sliding animations to these images. Head over to the Animations section and choose suitable animations for your images. After that, use CapCut's Auto Caption feature. Edit the captions, adjusting font size, style, and colors to make them stand out. Add text effects and animations to enhance the captions. Add the background music to the timeline. Adjust the volume to balance it with the voiceovers. Once you're satisfied with the edits, export the video. And now the engagement. Tip: start your video with a question to grab viewers' attention and create curiosity. For example, did you know these crazy facts about Italian foods? This can boost your watch time and views. Now, you're ready to share your engaging video with the world. Enjoy creating, and see you in the next video.